Hi friends, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Before I unbox the Lev Haolam box, I just want to chat a little bit about what's been going on in my life. If you've been following the content on my channel at all, I've been posting almost 4 years now, mostly unboxing videos and some art process videos. And I would say the last 6 months, my posting schedule, my unboxing schedule, everything has really decreased. And I think it's just a phase, but I've been going through some very difficult things in life, which I have not brought to the camera. And I really don't want to dwell about me. The things that are going on in this world today, ever since October 7th, I have been praying for the people of Israel and the people that live in the Middle East who are affected by the war. And it's just been an emotional time, and I'm doing a lot of prayer, a lot of outreach, and it's just not good. And I don't get political on my channel, but until the hostages are brought home, whether alive or dead, things will not be the same. There, I've said it. So when October 7th happened, I thought, like, what's one way I can help? So I started to buy the Lev Haolam boxes. It's in a subscription box from Israel. I bought a box. It's stuff that I haven't unboxed on the channel. I just bought it because when you buy the subscription, the makers of the box use that money to pay the artisans. So if you know anything about subscription boxes, a lot of times people put together, curate subscription boxes through donations for people that want to get their products out there to the world. They give it free and it's put in a subscription box. That's the usual, the general model of subscription boxes. With Lev Haolam, they pay the artisans, the makers, the creators of food and olive oils and beauty products and handmade ceramics. They pay them a wage and they put them in the subscription box. So this is my second box that I have received from Lev Haolam, and I'm going to show it to you in just a moment. It's just my way of supporting the people of Israel, because most of the items in this box are sourced out of the Judea and Samaritan regions of Israel. Not all of it, but some. So a lot of these people live on kibbutzes, and October 7th, many kibbutzes in the south region were attacked, and they're rebuilding. So this is just one small thing I can do to support my brothers and sisters in Israel. So let's go ahead and unbox the box. It's fragile. You get it in a box just like this. I've held on to this box for probably over a month, so I'm not sure if these are the current items in the box. I think right now they're working on a Passover box, and they always have a sale for your first box. They usually give you like 30% off. You can check out their website. I'll leave it linked below. So here is the informational book. It talks about the artisans and the products that are in this box. It does interviews with them, which I found to be really interesting. Like, this is Orly, and she runs a ceramics business, and so one of her items is in the box. And there's an interview of her. There's an interview with Fenster. He runs a chocolate business, and I think there's some chocolates or toffee in this box. And then Yal, he lives in Tel Aviv, and he's a photographer, and he uses photography and biblical quotes, and he produces all sorts of artwork. And in this month's box, he did some stationery. So it says the land is very, very good, and this is what I'm going to show you right now. So we'll just go with what's on top. And this is the photography that of Yal, that's his name, we got 3 cards and envelopes, and they all have biblical phrases on them as such. You might notice the word God is spelled G/-D, and I was brought up never to write out God as G-O-D. You always put this to show respect in the right way. For Jews, we never put that O in. I don't really know the reason why. I just know it's not something we do, and it's out of respect. So that's why you'll see often no O. So there's three cards, and I think my favorite one is this one. May God bless you and guard you. May God shine his face upon you and be gracious to you. May he lift his face to you and grant you peace. And this is at the Western Wall, Israel, Jerusalem. So that's the first item in the box. And then we have some food. We got some popcorn. It is from Jerusalem, gourmet popcorn from Jerusalem, 3.5 ounces, and the serving information is on the back. And of course, everything is kosher, definitely kosher. And we also got some almond paste, also from Israel. The sugar, this is also, it's a natural date snack with 100% almond butter filling. So it's bars, date bars. So that's really nice packaging as well. And then we got the Fenster's toffee, and it's espresso flavor. No preservatives, no artificial coloring. And there's the information on the back. So I think that is all the food items, I think. Well, no, actually I take that back. We got some extra virgin olive oil. You're not going to buy this in the States, that's for sure. And very interesting bottle. And it has all the information on the back. And this is a family-run business located in the Negev Desert on the outskirts of Yerushalayim. So there we go. We got olive oil. Put that over there. Then we got 2 body products from the woman I showed you in the brochure early. We have, this is in Hebrew. I don't read Hebrew, but it's in English over here. This is a sticker for us people that don't read Hebrew. It's body lotion, and it's with jojoba, roses, and mallow. And it's over 5 fluid ounces. It is sealed, and it's very generous size. So you definitely could read everything you want here in English as well as Hebrew. And it's all natural ingredients and plant-based, no preservatives and no synthetic materials. And then we got, right, this one is all in Hebrew, but in the book it says it is a mud mask. It is pure clay mask. Again, very generous size in my opinion, because this will last a long time for me. It's almost 2 fluid ounces, and self-explanatory. Mud mask for your face, for your body. Keep it on for about 10-15 minutes and then rinse it off. So I'm looking forward to trying these 2 products because they say they are 100% organic. And then the last item in the box says Fragile. It's ceramics by Early Livni. I did peek at this. It's really nice. And it talks about in the brochure how she had to put together this order of like 1,000 pieces and how she worked day and night to do that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a little trinket dish, and it's of a beautiful leaf. Actually matches my house. I just had my house painted. It's really pretty, and it's also signed by the artist on the back. And there we go. I think this is my favorite item. I love handmade stuff. And I know everything is handmade, but this is really, really handmade. So quick recap, we got the ceramic dish. We got 2 beauty products, 100% organic. We have the olive oil, extra virgin. The toffee. The date bars with the almond paste. With the natural date snack, almond butter filling. And the popcorn. And the 3 cards with matching envelopes. And a book. Oops. A book to read about all the artisans and learn about their lives. So, if you are interested in supporting Israelis or people that live in Israel, I'm sure that's not just Israelis that contribute to this box, because Israel is a very democratic country. All sorts of people live there. If you're interested in supporting artisans and people who make handmade goods, check out Lev Haolam box. I'll leave the links down below. They are non-affiliate links. And see if you want to try a box and support Israel. All right, guys. Thanks for bearing with me through this video. I kind of revealed some stuff about things I really think about and that I'm very passionate about. And I hope I'm only met with love and grace. I don't want to, if I see like really negative people who are putting negative comments in there, I'm going to just delete you and block you. That's it. So it's all about love here. That's all I want. And peace. All right, guys. I'll see you next video. Take care. Bye.